How to unmute location of anyone on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unmute someone's location on Snapchat so you can start seeing their location updates again. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and open the Snapchat application and sign into your Snapchat account. And once you do so, you're gonna click on the chats here at the bottom left. And once you do click on chat, you'll be redirected to your chats. So you need to open the profile of the specific person for who you wish to unmute the location. For example, I'm going to click on this one over here. And once I do so, you will be redirected to the profile. And then you're going to click on these three dots at the top right. And here you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to head over and click on location settings. And then you'll be able to see that there is a toggle button next to mute the person's location, and the toggle button is toggled on. So that means the location is muted. Now if you wish to unmute the location, you're going to simply click on it until the toggle button becomes gray. That means that now the location has been unmuted and now you can continue seeing their location updates again. So that was how you can unmute a location of anyone on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.